Welcome to Getting Started with Canvas. In this portion, we'll be discussing the Files area of the Global Navigation menu.
The final important piece in our account settings is Files. And this is important because it's where all of your files will be uploaded to. You can access any file that you've uploaded to a specific course. If you have an item that you will regularly use across all of your courses, for example, a profile picture that you add to your Meet the Instructor page, you can add that file right into your main files by using the blue upload button and selecting it from your computer. Once you've found your file, you would hit open and it will appear in the list. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit clt.odu.edu.